Okay, this is the inside of an International truck. And this is the passenger side. And there's an air ride seat. And those are the buttons to raise the seat and the lumbar support on the back. And this is the instrument panel for me. And let's see, and of course out there, and down here is the transmission and the pedals. There's a gas pedal over here, and this is the brake, and this is the clutch. And then, okay, down on the floor here, this is where I keep my stuff in between jobs. Somebody just walked in front of me. Okay, now there are cubby holes up there and up here, and this is where the CB radio goes. And then there's another cubby hole that I hang my telephone headset from that. And then there's a cubby hole up there. We have quit putting stuff in the cubby holes because out of sight, out of mind, 50 miles or more, and then you find out you've left something behind. Okay. No, I'm out here waiting for you. And there's a place for water bottles and stuff. No, I didn't have to go. Okay. Right back there is a place for a television. About 10-4. Place for a television. And then, I don't know, that's something, some kind of storage spot back there. And that other thing is a step. That thing up there folds down. That's a bed. I don't know. That bed folds down, comes down for a bunk. And there's a bed. And this is a sliding table. Okay. There's another cubby hole. It's kind of dark in here. Let's see. How do I turn a light on? Oh, I think it's up here. There's the dome light switch. Okay. So this is another cubby hole and a place to put something. And I think they put like a microwave in there. And then this table pulls out so that they can do their logbooks, or it's a table to eat, whatever. And then down in there is where the refrigerator goes. And under the bunk, I'm not sure where the lever is. The bunk raises, and underneath there is more storage. So that's the inside of these trucks, and we can stand up in them. But okay. This is a warning system for anything that's coming up on your right side, or something that's close in front of you. Get up too close behind somebody in front of you and it'll go off. And for overhead structures, guardrails, and it makes a nuisance beep sound. I don't know if it'll do it here. Oh, of course not. It won't do it here. But if I get too close to the guy in front of me, then you'll hear the tones. And then this guy in front of me, he's close there. See, it's telling me that there's... Okay, now I gotta go around him. Nope, I don't. Joe's right in front. Whoops. Whoop, whoop. Up back on the road. Get up on the road. Joe's right in front of him, so I'm not going to pass him. Oh, and by the way, this is called a parking lot in the trucking world.